Happiness and unhappiness are actually two sides of the same coin, or they're always hanging in the balance, they're always possible and probable at the same time in one or another. But the reality or the fact regarding both happiness and unhappiness in life is that they are all subjectivity. They exist because of the existence of the mind and also because of the mind's genius, greatness, excellence, critical thinking, wisdom, and everything else that it is generally or particularly capable of. Happiness is part of that creation in one way or another, alongside truthfulness and basically a relationship, knowledge, perception, everything starts and begins in the mind and makes its existence clear in real life conditions and practical circumstances in one way or another. So, because of the existence of the mind and also because of whatever exists inside of the mind is thinking, intellectualizing, psychologizing, philosophizing. So, obviously, whatever the mind creates and whatever it exists, that also comes into existence and makes its way to the real life conditions in one or another. So, happiness and unhappiness do not necessarily exist in reality without first the human beings as well as uh, the participation and existence of the mind, intellect, heart, and soul in one or another. So, they are both real and unreal at the same time. So, happiness is movement. For as long as we can continue to be virtuous, authentic, grounded, humble, modest, moderate, compassionate, understanding, kind with ourselves as well as with others in our behaviors, interactions, communications, relationships, we can continue to be happy, reciprocal, prosperous, successful, and progressive also. And if we can develop and actualize and apply self knowledge, reciprocity, self respect, self understanding, self criticism regarding our problems as well as those of the others, then also that can lead to happiness. But unhappiness arises out of the unintegrated shadow and the unwillingness to see anything wrong, bad, unjust, unfair in ourselves, which we always do, because we always see the goods in ourselves and we dismiss the wrongs, the evils, because we believe that we are capable of only all the goods and virtues and values inside of this world, that we just do not have any capability for any evil action, bad behavior at all, and that is what we become happy for. That is the primary source of our evil. That is the reason for our unhappiness, misery, despair, disorientation. Anyways, the refusal to integrate the shadow and make the unconscious conscious, the denial to see anything wrong in ourselves makes us unhappy.